Extend and Climb Telescoping Ladder, the convenient, portable, lightweight ladder for all of your household and professional needs. What sets the Extend and Climb ladder apart is its retractable, small, and transportable size, which can be stored almost anywhere. This allows you to carry a compact, full-size ladder with one arm while grabbing supplies or opening doors with the other. Its lightweight design offers effortless movement to be able to fit in small spaces. True telescoping technology offers a stable ladder experience and has surpassed all ANSI and OSHA standards. When your task is complete, effortlessly retract your ladder back to its compact size, and you're on your way. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a full-time contractor, Extend and Climb offers the go-to ladder to make your job simpler, one step at a time.
Presenting the ECPL 3836 Pocket E-Charge Lighted USB Charging Tool Backpack by CLC. This one-of-a-kind backpack functions as a practical tool backpack while including an integrated USB charging system, powered by the provided 15,000 mAh power bank. Capable of charging 2 devices simultaneously, the backpack can safely charge your cell phone, tablet, notebook, camera, or any other USB-powered device. The 4 internal wall pockets keep devices securely stowed while they power up. The integrated 2-level 200-lumen LED light system with adjustable steel neck is powered by the power bank and helps light the contents of the backpack. Any work in low light conditions is made easy with an adjustable wide area illumination or close-up work illumination. 31 multi-use pockets inside, 5 pockets outside, 4 additional loops and measuring tape clip help organize a wide variety of hand tools. The padded webbed carrying handles and adjustable shoulder straps allow for comfortable transportation, while the base pad feet help fight against abrasion. And when the work is done, the 15,000 mAh power bank is removable and can be used as a power source anywhere you go. The power bank comes with an included USB wall charger. Power up and stay prepared with a 36 pocket E-Charge lighted USB charging tool backpack by CLC.
Capro, the world's most innovative manufacturer of hand tools. Introducing the 313 Measuremate, the ultimate home improvement tool. The 313 Measuremate is a sturdy ruler and straight edge with an easy grip triangular profile, making it far easier to handle than conventional flat rulers. But the 313 is more than a ruler. Capro has applied its innovation to make the 313 Measuremate the perfect tool for a wide range of home improvement jobs. Let's see what the Measuremate has to offer. The 313's unique design features 2 inset vials for clear and accurate horizontal leveling and vertical plumb measurements, making it a handy and precise spirit level. Transferring measurements is easy with the 313's sliding markers along the ruler's profile. Once you've marked the measurement, you need just line it up with one hand and mark with the other. Far easier than the traditional two-handed tape measure. Straight, safe, and accurate cutting is also easy with the 313's built-in knife guides in both markers. This keeps the blade aligned with the straight edge and away from your fingers. Centering points on shelves, pictures, and other fixtures for hanging is simple with the 313's 0 and center point markings. The 313 also has standard placement markings along the profile for easy alignment of electrical outlets, sockets, and plumbing fixtures. In the 313 Edge is a handy nail gripper that doubles as a tool hanger and a drill bit gauge. Safe and easy nailing every time. And of course, the 313 Measuremate is a ruler and straight edge with a strong aluminum profile that ensures a clean edge for every marking job. The 313 Measuremate comes in a range of sizes from a 30 cm 12-inch model up to a 120 cm 48-inch model. The 313 Measuremate is one of Capro's most unique and innovative tools for all-around home improvements. Whether you're leveling, cutting, transferring, aligning, centering, gripping, or nailing, the 313 Measuremate is the perfect tool. Be sure to see what other cutting-edge innovations Capro has to offer by Capro.
The Blindmark XT magnetic drywall locator tool makes it easy to cut access holes for rectangular electrical boxes, both single and multi-gang. The Blindmark XT kit comes with 3 target magnets and 1 locator magnet in a rugged carrying case. To use the Blindmark XT, you first insert a target magnet with the arrow pointed up in each outlet box that will be covered by the drywall. Do this by pushing down on the springs until the pins fit in the screw holes at the top and bottom of the box. For double or triple gang boxes, use 2 targets, putting 1 at each end. Once the drywall is fastened, slide the locator with its powerful rare earth magnets along the wall with the arrow on the locator pointed up. The locator will find the target magnet and snap in place. You may need to adjust the position slightly to align it to the direction of the box. Using the locator as a guide, outline the electrical box perimeter. Remove the locator magnet from the drywall. Using the outline, cut out the hole around the electrical box. Remove the material. Reach in and remove the target magnet from the outlet box, and you're done. It was that easy. No measuring, and you only had to lift the drywall into place 1 time. The Blindmark XT is part of our Blindmark Magnetic Drywall Locator series.
Impact Performance Series double-ended power bits from Irwin. Built for maximum durability, Irwin's Impact Performance Series power bits are manufactured to withstand the high torque of impact drivers. The precision tip ensures a better fit. And with their double lock technology, both ends lock securely.
1 bit, 2 tips. So you could be working on a door frame, or you can be working in some other applications where you're putting in a number 2 and then you need a number 3, you just flip it around and it makes it very easy.
I've noticed they fit the screw a little better. It helps not camming out so much.
It takes a lot longer for the screws to strip out, but when they do, it's nice just to be able to take it out, flip it over without hunting another bit down.
Plus, the exclusive Power Groove design is for use with Irwin's magnetic screw hold attachment. The low-profile collar attaches securely to hold fasteners, reducing slipping and wobbling.
Irwin has come up with this ingenious idea with this magnetic clip that goes right over the bit, and it turns that bit into a magnet. Now you're not losing those screws, makes your job 10 times easier.
Irwin's Impact Performance Series double-ended power bits assortment includes 78 unique bits. Choose from 3 lengths and 4 tip types in a variety of combinations. So whether you're looking for twice the life or the convenience of carrying less bits, Irwin lets you do more with your impact driver.
Time is money in the construction industry, and the Irwin bit has made a big difference for us.
For the widest range of impact accessories on the market, be sure to check out the complete line. Impact Performance Series from Irwin.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion oscillating tool, PCC710B, part of the new growing link system of high-performance tools. Featuring the patent-pending tool-free blade change system, makes accessory changes quick and easy. A variable speed dial delivers 8,000 to 18,000 oscillations per minute for optimized performance and control. This tool features a comfortable 3-position overmold, allowing users to work with less vibration and fatigue. A powerful LED work light brightens dark work areas and includes 20 assorted cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding accessories. 20-volt Max Compact and Max Pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the Max Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt Max oscillating tool delivers performance, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.